So happy week after Thanksgiving. I know some of you are full. I don't know why I'm talking about Thanksgiving. It's just what popped into my head. Let's get on with it. I got 3 hacks for you, and we're gonna see if we can put some flavor on those drums, you know, like gravy. Three drum programming hacks. Let's rifle through this. So you got a loop. Sounds like this. You want to customize it. You want to make it your own. You get in here, take out the kicks. So here's your kick. Put that hi-hat every place that a kick is. So now we have open up a kick drum. I'm using drum rack in here. I've put in a couple kicks. Here's a little program I've made. So the cool thing about this is there's my kick drum that I've programmed. The point is total flexibility. I can take that and use it with all kinds of other loops. So I prepared a couple ahead of time. I could use this loop, which I've taken out, the kick drum. Again, change the sound. Okay, so step by step, here's how we do the hi-hats. You put a drum rack on a track. I go down here, I find a hi-hat. I'm gonna put it on 4 different spots. Now they're all the same. Run up into MIDI effects, grab your arpeggiator, and throw it on this one here. You see it pops open. I'm gonna change this one to 64ths. Now you get, I'm gonna grab it again, put it on this cell. I'm gonna change this into 48s. Grab another one, put it on this cell. I'm gonna put this on 24. It could be any number you want. So the cool thing about doing it this way, as the track's rolling, I can just play with it like that instead of programming it. So the flow of it against the beat the workflow is really fast and organic. You can feel what you're doing. That's how you do the hats. Hack number 3, if you really want to add some flavor to those hi-hats, duplicate the track. Now, check this out. So I'm turning that off. I got this hat here, right? Those are my hats. Freeze this track. Right up here, freeze the track. Now, if you take that frozen track and you drag it down onto an audio track, look what we got. Now, you want to do something real cool? Go in here, turn on the clip. So you can change this to transpose. Grab your pencil tool. Change the resolution. I think just for fun, let me find an 808. Turn that on. And again, anytime you're in the song, you can just switch it up. Last thing I'm going to do, let me just grub this up a little bit. So look, we started with, we ended up with, but because we have all the separate parts, yeah, we can do anything we want with it. Whatever you need to do, you got control of your hi-hats, you got control of your kick drum, the pattern, the sound. So you've taken a loop and you've customized it, and now you can use it in whatever way you want. If you thought anything I was saying was kind of cool, please pop that subscribe button like your favorite 808. See you later.